Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. Firstly, open your Google Chrome on your PC, then go to the official IDM extension page on the Google Chrome Web Store. Alternatively, if IDM is installed, go to Extensions on Chrome, enable Developer Mode, then click Load Impact, then select the IDM extension from Program Files, Internet Download Manager, then IDM GCE xt.crc. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension and wait for the installation to complete. Now click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of the Chrome to open the Extensions menu. Find IDM Integration Module and click on three-dot menu next to it. Select this Can Read and Change Site Data, then choose on all sites. Open your IDM on your PC. In IDM, go to Options, then General tab. Make sure to use Advanced Browser Integration is checked. Restart Chrome and test the extension by trying to download a file. Now IDM should automatically detect and capture downloads from all websites. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.